This is grade 4, module 1, lesson 1, and the objective in this lesson is to interpret a multiplication equation as a comparison. So for this lesson, we're going to be looking at homework problem 1, and this is part B and C. And this is a template here, and it's the place value chart. So B, let me just read the directions first. For number 1, it says label the place value charts. Fill in the blanks to make the following equation true. Draw discs in the place value chart to show how you got your answer using arrows to show any regrouping. So for B, it's 10 times 2 tens equals blank, tens equals blank. And the place value chart's here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the labels on the place value chart. Okay. And then I have 10 times 2 tens. So in the tens column, we have we'll just put just 2 little circles or 2 dots represent the 2. And we're going to do that 10 times because it's 10 times 2 10. 7, 8. Okay. So now we have 20 tens. So 10 times 2 tens is 20 tens. So since we have, we can make a group of 10 tens, we just show the regrouping by circling a group of 10, and that becomes 10 tens becomes 100. And we can actually do that twice here. Just to use the place value chart, we can see that 20 tens is equal to 200. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing for C, and C is 5 hundredths times 10. So let's make some room here. Okay, we have to label our place value chart again. Okay, and we have 5 hundredths times 10. So in our hundredths column, we're going to put our 5 hundredths. And we're multiplying that by 10. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Okay, so in the hundredths column, we obviously have more than 10, so we're going to do some regrouping, and again, we can just show that by circling our group of 10, our arrow over, and so we can see that 10 hundredths is equivalent to 1,000. So 5 hundredths times 10 is 50 hundredths, which is equal to 5,000. Okay. The next problem we're going to look at is homework problem number 4. And number 4 reads, Katrina saves $200 to purchase her tablet. Her father spent 10 times as much money to buy his new computer. How much did her father's computer cost? Use numbers or words to explain how you got your answer. Okay, so I'm going to use the place value chart for this as well. And I'm just going to use I'm going to use O for ones, tens, hundreds, and I'm going to use TH for thousands. So Katrina saved $200 to purchase her tablet. Her father spent 10 times as much money to buy his new computer. How much did her father's computer cost? So I'm going to write a target sentence, and that reads, Katrina's father's computer costs blank dollars. Okay, so Katrina saved $200 to purchase her tablet. I'm going to put that on my place value chart, and I'm just going to place my 2 dots right here in the hundredths to represent 200. Her father spends 10 times as much, so I'm going to have those 2 dots, and I'm going to multiply it by 10. Okay, so that gives me 20 hundredths, and I can regroup. 10 hundredths becomes 1,000, and this 10 hundredths becomes another 1,000. So Katrina's father's computer costs $2,000.